Okay, it's time to get some good news, folks, and we're going to build in some much milder temperatures as we go later this morning into this afternoon. Upper 50s to around 60 degrees, I think, before all is said and done. There are some areas of fog we've got to talk about, but not so much on this current image out at the Civic Center in Holland. It is southward from there, South Haven towards Benton Harbor, even sections around Kalamazoo, and southward from there towards the Indiana line. We've got a dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m., but you don't see much happening there in Grand Rapids. It's just a chilly open. The winds are light, but that's one of the major contributing factors to why temps can cool down in an overnight period. We're right around the freezing mark. Dense fog advisory stretching from Allegan County into Van Buren and Berrien and Cass counties, where local visibilities can drop to around a quarter of a mile at times, and we have seen that. Again, South Haven to Benton Harbor, that's the main zone, Kalamazoo and Three Rivers with some reductions in visibility, and even Coldwater to open up this Thursday. Now, looking around through Canada, there is some really cold air. I'll tell you, this is April 2nd now, and some very cold air off to our north, but that is where it has been recently, and it has not been discharging and heading southward to bother us to any great extent. Now, granted, it has been cool the last few days, but nothing overwhelmingly cold and nothing that has been capable of producing any snow. There's a little bit of a warmer bulge, though, developing out through the Midwest, and that'll be responsible for why we are headed for the upper 50s to near 60 today and into the lower 60s for the day on Friday. And also, just because we're going to have a lot more sunshine this time of year, that higher sun angle, you can't help but warm up just a bit, and that's what we're going to do through this late morning and afternoon. If you do have some fog around at the start, that gets out by 8:30, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, certainly, and then just sunny skies. Some high-level cirrus, very thin patches will be around as we go through this afternoon, but not a whole lot to even filter or dim much sunshine. It is going to be a very bright day and one that we are due after all those cloudy occasions. 5 straight really cloudy days here in West Michigan. Obviously, we got a little bit of sunshine there early evening yesterday, but we're going to make amends, it looks like, today and tomorrow before our next chance for a few showers comes in on Saturday. That was the system on the left side of the screen, but very slow to move, so won't be coming in as soon as maybe it looks by just taking a look at that particular regional shot. Nothing going on the current radar, as you would expect based on what I've been telling you so far. Let's watch the European model as it goes out in motion here through the morning and afternoon. This is 2 o'clock out towards 4, 5 o'clock, mostly sunny skies. Any of those clouds out across Wisconsin and Illinois, those will be kind of fading as they run into this ridge of high pressure that'll be overhead today into tonight and Friday. Even for tomorrow, looking very nice. That thin band of showers is going to be just that, thin and very light. So when it arrives at some point mid to late morning into the afternoon on Saturday, all it has is a couple showers with it. No thunderstorms. It's a weak system, and in fact, weakening further as it crosses the region. But it will be a cloudier day on Saturday before we return to some sunshine and warmer temps on Sunday. Rainfall amounts not tremendous. We're talking about maybe 1/10 of an inch with these showers on Saturday. And then, Alyssa, right back to around 60. How about 67 by Tuesday? Could even have a thunderstorm at that time. We got more with the forecast coming up.